Today we will learn about compound words. Let's begin. Compound words are words joined together to make a new word. For example, if we combine these two words, foot and ball, together, we make a new word, which is football. The spellings of the two original words stay the same. In this example, each word means differently. The word foot means foot, and ball means ball. If we join them together, we have a new word, football. It is a specific ball used to play a certain sport, which is football. Let's take another example. Star and fish. We make a new word, starfish. Snow and man makes snowman. Hand and bag is handbag. Bed and room is bedroom. Pop and corn is popcorn. Let's split the compound word into two words. From the compound word goldfish, we can split it into gold and fish. Sunflower can be split to sun and flower. Blackberry can be split into black and berry. Afternoon can be split into after and noon. Hairbrush can be split into hair and brush. One more time. Compound words are two words joined together to make a new word. The spellings of the two original words stay the same. Let's read few more examples of compound words. Football, bedroom, blackberry, popcorn, afternoon, sunflower, snowman, goldfish, handbag, starfish, jellyfish, sunshine, farmyard, thunderstorm, grandmother, footprints, bookmark, hairbrush, Airport. Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct word to make compound words. One, grandmother. Two, thunderstorm. Three, starfish. Four, farmyard. Five, sunshine. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. One, I don't want to be stung by a jellyfish. Two, Tilly brushed her hair with a hairbrush. Three, we took a bus to the airport. 4. Our feet left footprints on the sand. 5. I put a bookmark in my book.